Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can apply for Robinhood debit card. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then you have to click on this spending icon or this card icon at the bottom of your screen, right left to the profile icon. So that will be landed on the screen. If you haven't opened your spending account, it will give you options to create a new account. So just follow the on screen instructions, and once you do that, you will be able to create your spending account. And once you do that, they will deliver a Robinhood debit card to your registered address. And once you have received your debit card, you can simply click on this activate your card button, and from here click on continue, and then set up your new debit card pin, and that's it, your card will be activated. So first you need to do is just click on this spending or cash icon, and then you have to just follow the on screen instructions on the screen to open up your spending account. And once you open your spending account, it will automatically send a Robinhood debit card to your address. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.